are 2019. We are visiting the small town of Wakita, Oklahoma, population of about 200. This is the town where the majority of the movie Twister takes place, where they successfully launched Dorothy into the EF5 tornado. And we will be visiting the museum shortly as well. And now we have a billboard of the great state of Oklahoma. This is Welcome to Wakita, and it says Cherokee Strip, 1893 to 1993. And there it is. All right, we're approaching the town of Wakita. It goes from 25 miles an hour all the way down to 15 miles an hour. I guess they have filmed 3 movies here, and one of them being Twister, but we're going to find out what the other 2 movies are when we visit the museum here. And unfortunately, the house that they destroyed in the movie was a prop house, and there's nothing left but a flower garden, and we'll check that out here in a second. But check this out. So we go down Main Street here, little downtown section. We have the community house on the left, and we have Wakita Foodland. All right, here we are in the Twister Museum. Is it okay if I film?
It certainly is, as long as you don't get my junk.
Yeah, no, it's only for private use, so.
Okay.
So this is the Dorothy one right here. Check this out. Goodness. I probably watched the movie 20 times. I wore out the VHS when I was a kid.
Oh, that's true. I have a guest book on the end of the table there. I'd love to have you register. Leave the door open. That's fine.
My license is built air conditioning, so I thought I'd close.
Well, yeah, you know, don't you? Where did you grow up?
Tulsa, born in Muskogee.
Oh, goodness, okay. Well, you're flooding now then.
Oh, yeah.
Mercy. Is that where you were going to fish?
I'm going to try to, but we didn't get much done. We fished sooner a little bit.
But we have the salt plains over here.
That's what I've heard.
I saw a lot of people fishing there a couple of days ago, but I don't know that they were catching anything.
Here's models of the house.
Yeah. That's from the art department.
Well, there's the signature tower, water tower of Wakita. And so here we are, folks. This is right here. This is the location of Aunt Meg's house. The house is no longer there. It was a fake house, and then the tornado came and took it away. But they have a nice little memorial here, and so we're going to check this out. But Oklahoma, where the wind comes storming down the plains. I don't think that's how that goes, but anyways. We got a little windmill here. And let's see here. It says, inspire, dream, imagine, America welcome. Not much there. Our official storm chasing truck. Told my dad that we need to get a couple lights on there, and they think he's part of the volunteer fire department, and we could just drive about wherever we want to, as fast as we want to, as we're getting after these storms. But we'll check this out. Like, this little thunder bumper just came out. I mean, we'll probably get some storms here tonight. That's not a very good video, but that's all right.